In the United States, national security has grown more and more because they already have an army and more police stations to care for U.S. citizens. The president for this year will charge tax only those who are working. The government removed taxes on people depending on how much money they earn per month or week. People who have a good job, the boss of them give them a medical insurance. Also, people with legal papers, they receive from the government a medical insurance. All people who have medical insurance and go to the hospital don't have to pay a lot of money because they have a medical insurance. In this world, there are three classes: the rich class, the middle class, and the poor class. Middle class work hard to get ahead and to have a good life for the future. Also, the middle class helps the poor to succeed and to have a good health and good education.